Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about transport. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for bicycle in Setswana?
Bicycle!
That's right, bicycle. And what is the word for train in Setswana?
Terena!
Very good, terena. Now, what is the word for bus in Setswana?
Bisi!
That's right, bese. And the word for car in Setswana?
Sejanaga!
Very good, sejanaga. Now let's see if you can remember these words. What is the word for bus in Setswana?
Bisi!
And train?
Terena!
And bicycle?
Bicycle!
And car?
Sejanaga!
Very good. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.